Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke General Secretary jong kaseng Congress ke Priyanka Gandhi Vatra kan pen Khreh bani khun ke election MP Lok Sabha na Wayanad constituency ha Kerala hadin ba Rahul Gandhi ula rai ban no yakni ke constituency ban long UMP jong ka rai Bareli ha Uttar Pradesh. La ban kedau bahagani ke election MP balala Rahul ula jump na rai Bareli ban na Wayanad Patkat kum kikindon uhaban pelat no kawai niki constituency. Hakala asni ublay haka jingedon lang presiden ke kongres Malikarjun Kharge lapen bena ba Rahul no ya ka Wayanad bat unlong UMP jong ka Rai Bareli. Henry haka Jaka jong upan kaseng kongres kan Ïakhun de ka Priyanka na Wayanad. Kini kan long kasin ka beningkong baka Priyanka kan Ïakhun election nadu bakala Rung siya kasang Hima sima. Kung makalong benta ka Sonia Gandhi ka dekot lani ka MP jong ka Raja Sabha kat ba Rahul Gandhi ubade uhinmen jong ka Priyanka ulalong UMP nadu snem arajar sao.
बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. I'm very happy to be able to represent Wayanad, and all I'll say is that I won't let them feel his absence. As he said, he'll come many times with me, but I will work as hard and I will try my best to make everybody happy and to be a good representative. और रायबरेली के साथ तो मेरा बहुत ही पुराना रिश्ता भी है और 20 सालों से मैंने काम किया है दोनों रायबरेली और अमेठी में, तो वो रिश्ता तो कहीं मतलब किसी भी तरह से टूट नहीं सकता. उसको कायम रखने के लिए हम दोनों हैं और भैया की मैं मदद रायबरेली में भी करूंगी और जैसे उन्होंने कहा हम दोनों रायबरेली में भी हम दोनों मौजूद होंगे और वायनाड में भी.
दोनों को दो सांसद मिल रहे हैं. सिंपल सी बात. I have an emotional relationship with both Raebareli and the people of Wayanad. And the last 5 years as Member of Parliament of Wayanad have been a fantastic experience, a very enjoyable experience. The people of Wayanad stood with me. The people of Wayanad gave me love and affection. Every single person, regardless of party, they gave me support, love and affection. They gave me energy to fight in a very difficult time. So I will never forget that. I want everyone in Wayanad to know that Priyanka is going to fight the election in Wayanad. But I am going to be a frequent visitor to Wayanad, and I am going to be available to the people of Wayanad. And the commitments that I have made, we will stand by them and we will try and deliver all those commitments. She's going to fight the election. I'm confident she's going to win the election, and she's going to be a very good representative for the people of Wayanad. People of Wayanad can think about it like this. You have now 2 members of parliament. One is my sister and one is me. And my doors are always open for you throughout the rest of my life. And I love every single person in Wayanad. Thank you.